Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to download Toon app on your Android device. Toon app is the best face app that provides epic selfie camera filters and effects to make animations. You can try the cartoon camera effects and snap selfie to retouch your picture. If you'd like to download the application on your device, tap open your Play Store for your Android, or you can tap open your App Store if you're using the iOS operating system. Go to the search box at the top and type in Toon app and make your search. This one's the app that we are looking for. Simply tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Before downloading the app, you can tap on about this app right here at the bottom in order to know more about the app before downloading it into your device. At the bottom of this page, you'll be able to see all of the information, for example, the app version, its last updates, the download size, and much more. Once you're sure you'd like to download the application, tap on the install button to begin the download process, and your download will begin shortly. Once the application downloads, it will take a few minutes to install on your device. Wait until then, and you have successfully downloaded Toon app on your mobile device. Open the application by tapping on Open. Allow the application to access to your photo, media, and file on the device by tapping on Allow in the pop-up, and this will soon take you to your phone library. Select any picture, and that is how you can easily download and use Toon app on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it did help you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.